Hello kids, how are you? I am Megha Miss, your drawing and craft teacher. So today we are going to make a very interesting craft. You will love it and definitely you will like our today's topic. So today we are going to make a bird. So this bird you can make within 10 to 15 minutes very quickly, and it is very easy also. You will definitely like it. And even with this bird you can decorate your home, your wall, your cupboard or your drawer, anything. So here we start. So for making this we need colorful paper, red color, then dark brown or black, then a small size of yellow paper, only these three papers, then one scissor and a fevicol. If you don't have this colorful paper, even you can color on white paper and do. Okay, so first I will draw a bird shape on this red color sheet with a marker. You can draw with pencil also. So for drawing a bird shape, first you make a leaf shape, how I am making, like this. Then make a U shape for the head of the bird, like this. So it is finished. Now we will cut this bird body with the scissor. Cut it carefully. If you can't cut, you tell your parents to cut. Like this bird is cutted. Now I will take another paper. Before that, see here, head of the bird you can color. I am coloring with marker. You can even color with the black color crayon. Like this, only color the head of the bird, like this. It is finished. Now take another paper, dark brown color or black color, whichever you have. Here I have to make a triangle. See, the size of triangle should be 12 centimeter from all the sides. Take the proper and correct measurement. Draw that on your paper and cut it. I have already drawn like this. From this triangle shape we are going to make feather of the bird. See, like this. Now you have to fold this paper, how I am showing, like that. See, first I am folding inside, then turn it and again fold it outside. So this fold is called fan fold. You must be knowing it very well, fan fold. So fold all the paper like this only. The same way continue it till the end. I have folded that paper, so it will look like this. Now see, next step what you have to do, you have to fold it from middle. See how I have folded into equal parts. From middle you will fold, and in that middle part you will apply fevicol and you will stick it. So feather is over. Now we are going to make bird's tail. So for that I am taking a rectangle of 5 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so same I have already drawn on my paper. You also draw and then cut it. This is over. Now we will fold this paper also. See how? First fold inside like this, then turn it, fold outside, again same fan fold. So full paper you will fold like this only, a fan fold like this. It is finished. Again this paper also you will fold from middle into equal parts like this, and again you will apply Fevicol in middle and stick both the sides. Like this. It is also finished like this. Now we will first stick our feather. See where I am sticking, exactly there, and the tail back side. First we will stick our feather, apply Fevicol on one side, and see where I am sticking, exactly there you also stick like this. Now the tail of the bird, apply Fevicol on one side and see where and how I am sticking. Turn your bird and back side at the last point you stick like that in the corner. Like this it will look. So our bird feather is over. Now we have to stick eyes and beak of the bird. So like this on yellow color paper you have to make first eyes of the bird, make a oval shape like this. Then I am coloring it inside eyeball of that bird like this. Then beak of the bird, see a cone shape like this, pointed. Then we will cut this both the parts. Cut it very carefully. If you can't cut the small shapes, then you tell your parents to help you out. Cut it very carefully. Now stick that bird eye. If you have googly eyes at your home, you can stick that also. Now I am sticking the beak, the back side like this. Is finished. So your bird is finished. It's looking very nice, right? So back side you can even stick a thread and hang your bird. See, I have done already one bird like that with rough paper. See, I have stick there a thread, so you can even hang your bird by sticking the thread on the back side of the bird like this. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.